Alright, so today I have a Master Lock 532. I'll go ahead and show you that it does work. Now I have never picked this before, so we're going to go ahead and throw this in this vise and see if we can't get it picked for you. We'll get it to focus in for you. We'll go ahead and zoom in a little bit, get it turned, and we'll go ahead and see if we can get this picked for you. Let's go ahead and grab just a single pin pick, just a short hook, see if that'll do the trick. I need to tighten this vise a little bit. There we go. Nope, I'm not getting nowhere like that. Let's see if I can grab this 15 thousandths pick. We'll go ahead and try that. Let's go ahead and try to rake this because I'm not getting anywhere with that. Oh, I got a false set there. Let's release that a little bit. Got a false set there. Get that out of there. See if we can figure out where that's at. There we go. And that's open. You go ahead and see that shackle. There you go.